What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock your Netflix profile with a passcode. Locking your Netflix profile with a passcode is an excellent way to prevent others from accessing your profile and messing up your personalized recommendations. Whether you're sharing your Netflix account with family members or friends, this simple feature ensures your profile remains secure. Start by opening Netflix on your mobile browser and logging into your account. Once logged in, select the profile you want to lock. After the profile loads, look at the top right corner of the screen, where you will see your profile icon. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the account option. On the account page, scroll down to the end where you will find the Manage Profiles option. Tap on it, and then select the profile from the list you wish to lock. Once you're in the settings for the specific profile, look for the section labeled Privacy and Data Settings. Within this section, you will see an option called Profile Lock. This is the feature that allows you to add a PIN to your profile. Click on the Profile Lock option. At this point, Netflix will prompt you to enter your account password to confirm your identity. This step is crucial for security purposes, ensuring only the account owner can modify settings. After entering the password, click Continue to proceed. Now, you see the settings for Profile Lock. To enable the feature, select the checkbox next to Require a PIN to access the profile. Once you've checked this box, Netflix will allow you to create a PIN. Choose a 4-digit PIN that is easy for you to remember, but not easily guessable by others who share your account. Enter your desired PIN in the provided field. After setting the PIN, click Save to finalize the changes. And that's it. Your profile is now locked. The next time someone tries to access your profile, they will be prompted to enter the PIN you've just set. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.